If you need to cancel a pending transfer at Sandy Spring Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Access your Sandy Spring Bank online banking account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel in the list of pending transactions. Take note of the details to ensure you select the correct one. Step 4. Select the transfer and choose Cancel. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. Look for an option to cancel or delete the transfer and select it. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify cancellation confirmation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. Keep this for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer at Sandy Spring Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.